Hey there! Thanks for stopping by Blades & More for my comparison review of these two mid-size CJRB folding pocket knives. They are the CJRB Small Feldspar and the CJRB Ria. The Ria comes in at 6.75 inches overall length and the Small Feldspar is 7 inches overall length. They both have a 3-inch blade length. The main difference is the width of the blade. The Ria here has a 0.75 inch width and the Small Feldspar has 0.88 inch width. So it's got a, they call it the width, it's taller blade, bigger belly on this blade. It's going to be suitable for more robust tasks than the Ria. The Ria is really almost a gentleman's carry, small, thin, slender. This one has the carbon fiber handle scales. And the Feldspar here has the green translucent fiber scales, G10. Both have open back handle designs with deep carry pocket clips, stainless steel. Let me show you some other pieces that I have here for size comparison. Here's the petrified fish mini beluga and the petrified fish warrior. I also brought in my cold steel Karadashi and my Ontario Rat 2. Smaller Ontario Rat. They're all similar in size length. Brought in my scale here. Let's get a little weight on these. The Ria is 2.3 ounces and the Small Feldspar is 2.8 ounces. So you got about half an ounce less for the Ria than the Feldspar. If I had my choice on the two, I would probably choose this Ria to carry over the Small Feldspar just because it's smaller, easier for me to get around with. I'm more of an urban carrier. My tasks aren't as robust as what might be needed for larger knives. I just like the overall feel and look of this. There was one issue with it though, and that was the cutaway for the thumb stud opening and the liner lock. I took a Dremel with a sanding wheel and increased the size of that cutaway. I tore the knife apart. Gave me better access to the thumb stud opening and to the liner lock. So I'd have to take a couple point or two away from this piece without that customization, but after I increase the size of the opening, the access to the thumb stud and the liner lock, I like it better now. So I would have to pick this Ria over the Small Feldspar. You know, the Small Feldspar, you can get to the thumb stud very easily and the liner lock access. I brought in a couple of spec sheets. One for the Ria, if you want to just stop the video and take a quick look at some of the specs on this piece. And here's the specs for the Small Feldspar. Both of these pieces are made in China. And I like the Ria. I like the Feldspar too, but if I had my choice, it would be the Ria. Give you a little closer look before I button up this show. There's the Ria show side, the back side. And the Small Feldspar. So there we go, everybody. Appreciate it if you would comment, like, and subscribe. And I hope hope to see you back again soon. All right. Thanks for spending the time with me. I appreciate it. Okay. Bye now.